Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Naina Prakash Kohli and our today's topic is introduction of control statement. So, what is control statement? Java provides a statement that are used to control the flow of program. Such statements are called as control statement. There are three types of control statement. First one is condition statement, second is loop statement, and third is jump statement. So today we will discuss about only condition statement. Conditional statement are also known as decision making statement. So decision making statement decide which statement can be executed and when it is executed the statement and generate the boolean expression either true or false. There are two types of conditional statement. First one is if statement and second is switch statement. In if statement, the block of code is executed depending upon the condition and generate the boolean expression either true or false. There are four types of if statement. First one is if simple if statement, second is if else statement, and third is if else if ladder statement, and last is nested if statement. So first one, simple if statement, is a basic of all if statement in Java. So if statement is used to evaluate the condition and condition is true, then the block of code can be executed. For example, in if statement, so we will find out the positive number. If the a greater than 0, then condition is true, then it will print the block of code number is positive. Second is if else statement. So if else statement is the extension of if statement. It includes the another block. This block is called as else block, and if else statement is used to, if the condition is true, it will execute the if block, and if the condition is false, it will execute the else block. So for example, compare the two number, first a and second b. So condition if a greater than b, it will if a greater, then it will execute the block of code a is greater than, or condition is false, it will execute the else part and print b is greater than a. Third is if else if ladder statement. In if else if ladder statement, the condition if statement followed by multiple if else statement, and this multiple if else statement followed by another end of else statement. It is used to check the multiple condition, and one condition is true, then this block of code can be executed. Fourth one is nested if statement. In nested if statement, the contain the if statement. If statement contain another if or if else statement, and another if else if statement contain the another if and else statement. And second type of condition statement is switch statement. So switch statement is similar to the if else statement, and it is contain the multiple block of code. This code is known as cases, and this case evaluate the choice entered by the user. If the switch block executed only one cases, and it will generate the output. Thank you.